If we didn't have fungi doing that for us, our planet would be nothing but piles of dead trees everywhere. They are absolutely a living entity. And one of the ways that they live is they produce mycorrhizal relationships with plants and trees. About 95% of all of our plants and trees have mycorrhizal relationships with fungi. And the mycelium, the underground part, which is usually small and you can't see it, attaches to the roots and of the trees and plants. And what it does is it allows the trees and plants to expand their range and take up more water, more potassium, more nitrates, and other nutrients. And in return, the trees and plants act like solar panels. They photosynthesize. They make a lot of sugar and they make carbohydrates and they send it back down to the underground fungi, and that's their food source. That's how they live. It is a mutual relationship. It's a good relationship. So when we have invasive plants that come along, like garlic mustard, which comes along and it's able to break that mycorrhizal relationship between our fungi and our trees, it lowers the overall health of our forests. Another way that some mushrooms, like oyster mushrooms, you see things growing on wood. That's a different relationship. They get their food a different way. They're saprobic. They excrete their own set of chemicals into the wood or whatever they're living on, their substrate, and it breaks down lignins, cellulose, and hemicellulose. It helps return all of the dead trees to soil, and they uptake those nutrients as their food source. And that's a good thing. If we didn't have fungi doing that for us, our planet would be nothing but piles of dead trees everywhere. Pretty much nothing else can do that for us except for fungi.
Yeah, the great recyclers.
Yes.
Not only do they recycle wood, they can recycle all kinds of other things, including noxious substances like nuclear waste almost, and plastics and
oil spills.